Pitch my team in morning row, drive the hills of Studio to my rural radio. When I got there, the hills were steep, make any tender person weep. Hear me cussing, pop my whip, see my oxen pull and turn them around. One hard pull, we're on hard ground. 14th day, October